Hello guys. We're still in the process of solving the 4x4x4 Rubik's Cube, Rubik's Revenge. My previous video, which I have a link down below, we solved step 1, which was just creating the white centerpiece that we see here. And as I mentioned in my previous video, all the even shaped cubes do not have white centerpieces. So that's where we have to create them, create all the centerpieces. So now that we created the white centerpiece, we have to create, what's the opposite of white? It's yellow. We gotta create the yellow centerpiece. How do we do that? We want the yellow centerpiece on the opposite side. So right here, we already have a bar. So one thing we do that's different, because we want to keep our white shape, our white center. We don't want to destroy it, creating the yellow center. So one thing that we do is, so we pull this guy, the bar, we pull it to where we want it. So we want it over here because it's the opposite of white. We pull it, we twist it twice, so that way when we pull it back, the yellow won't be pulled back, but the white will. So the white is intact where it's supposed to be. So now we basically do the same thing. We want to create bars, guys. So we have a yellow piece right here. Let's find the other yellow piece, and it's right here. Ultimately, we want these to line up. So we want this yellow piece here. So we twist it. We twist it so when we pull it this way, it'll line up. So we pull it, it lines up. So now, instinctively, you might think to just pull it like this, and then bam, you have the yellow. But when you do that, you're destroying your white centerpiece, which is what you don't want. And honestly, this part of the learning curve, honestly, it takes time and practice just to get used to and get over it. And it took me a long while too when I was learning. But here's the trick, guys. So you actually want to line them up. So you grab your future yellow center, right? The one that's opposite of white. You go ahead and twist it to where they're actually lined up with one another. And then this piece that you want over here, all you simply do is you pull it up, and then you twist twice, right? Because twisting twice, you're leaving room for this guy here. And then you pull this guy back. So by pulling it back, you created a yellow center without destroying your white centerpiece. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe. I like to break down everything step by step. Feel like it makes it easier for everyone. I'd rather have a bunch of videos with steps than having one long video. And yeah, guys, thank you guys. Appreciate it.